At a time when pressure was mounting and patience wearing thin, Mamelodi Sundowns found their answer in a Colombian striker who has wasted little time announcing himself on African soil. Head coach Miguel Cardoso has hailed Brian Leon's seamless adaptation after the January signing, delivered back-to-back braces to rescue Sundowns' season in the space of 4 days. First came the high-stakes CAF Champions League clash against MC Alger at Loftus Versfeld, with elimination from the group stage looming, and former Sundowns mentor Rulani Mukwena in the opposing dugout. The Brazilians needed a response. Leon provided it emphatically, scoring both goals in a 2-0 victory that steadied the continental campaign. And he was not done. A midweek league showdown against title rivals Orlando Pirates at FNB Stadium carried its own weight. Pirates had surged to the top of the Budweiser Premiership standings, threatening Sundowns' grip on a title they have claimed for 8 consecutive seasons. Once again, Leon struck twice in the first half to power a 2-1 win, cutting the gap at the summit to 3 points, with Sundowns still holding a game in hand. For Cardoso, the goals were about more than statistics, and the adaptation of Brian has been very good. It's about the group, the club, and the work we do together to help them identify as quickly as possible with the way we want to play. Leon's numbers tell a compelling story: 6 goals in 7 competitive appearances, 4 in 3 league matches, and 2 in 4 Champions League outings, represent a striking return of 0.86 goals per game. That figure dwarfs his previous career average of 0.24 and has provided a timely lift for both Cardoso and sporting director Fleming Berg, who have faced criticism from sections of the Sundowns support over the team's style of play. Yet beyond the metrics lies the greater value decisiveness. Leon has delivered in must-win fixtures, restoring control of the title race and strengthening Sundowns' position ahead of the favourable Champions League quarter-final against Stade Milan. Cardoso further stated that it's not Brian, it will be Peter Shalule. If it's not Peter, it will be Igrim Reyners. If it's not Igrim, it will be Lebo Motiba, underlining the depth at his disposal. And said we depend so much on the players, we just need to give them the right conditions, emotional satisfaction, well-being. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.